Hi guys, my name is Alexandra.
And my name is Frederick.
And in January 2022, we decided that we wanted to volunteer in the summer, and we found IVHQ, International Volunteer Headquarters.
And they led us to the Nakavango Conservation Program in Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe.
And we're so excited to be spending 1 month there, volunteering, doing wildlife conservation, working at the local school and in the community.
And this video is the first of many of our trip.
See you! Bye!
We're here in CVS Pharmacy. We got Pepto-Bismol, Band-Aids, toothpaste, and toothbrushes. Cortisone. And Benadryl. This is probably not everything that we need, but I think this is most of it. We're going to be back. So we have the life straw today. Two colors. Who's getting the white one?
Frederick is getting one.
Okay.
You're not happy about that?
It's okay.
I got microfiber towels.
I'll just see mud in my water.
And I got this cute hat.
I'll try it on right now.
For only $13.
How's the material? That feels good.
Is it cute? No.
I like it. You look very cute.
I got more packing cubes.
We have
some things to return.
a lot of stuff to return here.
Lots of things from Amazon.
Cool. Time to pack for Zimbabwe.
Wait, and today is May 9th.
Yeah, May 9th.
May 9th.
How many days away? About a month and a half.
Less than a month.
That's pretty much it. And done.
Super cool. Are you ready to go to Africa?
I am ready to go to Africa. This is a cool bottle. This better save my life. Life Straw, you better be a sponsor today of this video. Couldn't be here without you. Couldn't be traveling the world to Africa without Life Straw. Today's sponsor. So here we are, after unpacking some stuff. We have Alexandra, and she has tried on her stuff. She got the boots. She got the boots.
And my cute shorts.
Cute shorts.
I have my
UPF 50.
I have my Columbia shirt.
Columbia shirt and a Camelback hydration pack and hat. She is very ready. Are you ready?
Yes.
So we are here in Alexandra's room, 38 days away from Africa's May 10th, I believe, right? And we have this bag of toiletries that she has gotten because wants to be uber prepared. What do we have in the toiletries bag right now? What is that?
Look how much stuff is in it.
It's like a...
To be extra prepared, because Frederick has a list of 5 things that he's bringing, so I have to be like his mother and prepare things for him.
That is very true.
Benadryl spray. This is for diarrhea.
Yeah, bloody diarrhea.
Then you need that if you're going to Africa. Pepto-Bismol. Alcohol pads, wipes, hair stuff.
What else?
Bug cream.
More wipes.
Face pads. Tide sticks. Everything you could think of is in this bag.
She also got some Tiger Balm, which is a staple in a Chinese household. So she knows the ways.
I'm learning from you. Even though I already had that before I met you. Is that funny? It's floss. It's Fancy Tom's. Sponsor us.
Sponsored us, Tom's, please. Baruch as well.
Yeah.
Please sponsor this trip. Everything laid out. And this is just a closer look to everything. With many flushable wipes.
We also need sunscreen and bug spray, but that's not in this bag. It's my bathroom.
We're almost there. Only 39 days away, and we are all here for the journey. Diarrhea pills, stick of sunscreen, Type G adapters, as you can see right here, has multiple ports. This is a solid bar of shampoo, a solid bar of conditioner.
And the adapters we got on Amazon.
More anti-diarrhea pills. They're called Imodium if you ever need it. Advil. Flonase. Zyrtec. And
Eye drops.
eye drops. Just unboxed this thing, and it is my GoPro actually. And Alexandra got some more stuff as well. But here's a protective housing. Another one for Alexandra. A battery. This is a dual charger battery and an additional battery in there. And a second one for Alexandra. And we've got my GoPro right here.
He has a charger, extra batteries, this clip for a backpack,
and a GoPro.
and some extra GoPro pieces and chargers.
This is actually the accessories bundle for the GoPro, and it comes with this as well. It's like a tripod plus a kind of a
Selfie stick.
not really a selfie stick, but kind of a selfie stick.
It comes in this nice box.
I also got this Tilly hat. Very much a great hat. Been making hats for years, and very durable and very amazing.
And it has like a string inside.
I also have this Columbia rain jacket that I got. It does not match the pink that I'm wearing right now, but it is green or brownish. It's a shit brown, but
It's green.
it's a shit green, but it'll work out.
What are they?
Arm sleeves so that like I can cover the tattoos.
Is it comfortable?
It is pretty comfortable, yes. Pants. It's very breathable.
It's from Primark.
Primark. Right now, I also have these trunks for the swimmings.
There's a swimming pool. These are also from Primark.
There's another.
They're nice quality.
Another trunks, also from Primark. except
And
in
those
black.
and those have zippers and pockets.
Yes.
So I'll just show you some of the stuff we got. So I did a lot of research on packing cubes, and I found these Vecan packing cubes, and they come with several different options of sizing. So for like sweatshirts and jackets, and then for socks and things and t-shirts, there's all different sizes. There's like a bag for laundry and a bag for shoes, and they come with all different colors. I got the black, and there's also like this see-through panel so you can see what you have. There's this breathable fabric, so you know the clothes like can breathe, and there's this good handle at the top, and the material and quality is really nice. So I think, you know, we can have these for several years past this trip. So our volunteer program, and when we did research online, it said that, you know, pickpocketing is sometimes common. So we got this bag. Frederick has to order his stuff, but I got one. It has this neck strap that's like adjustable, and it's this good bag that holds like cards, and it's very flat. Can hold your phone, passport, and just like important things that you could put under your shirt or above, just to keep all your things secure, like your important things that you need to carry around everywhere you go. I also did a lot of research because I really like Colombia, and I found these nice button-up like safari shirts that have this opening in the back, which makes them very breathable. And they also have UPF 50, and they come in like a million different colors. There's a bunch of pockets. You could fold and roll up the sleeves, and the opening on the bottom. Nice buttons. It's just really like nice quality, and it's really comfortable. So Frederick got some of those in the male sizing, and I got the women's version. And I also got it in this cool blue color. So I'm really excited about these. And I found these shorts on Amazon, which I got a few different types of shorts. This is just one of them, but they're UPF 50 sun protection. They're called the Willet short, W-I-L-L-I-T. They look like this. They're actually like golfing shorts, which is kind of funny. I used to play golf. But they have this really nice deep pocket and this little mini pocket in the front. And they're very like stretchy and comfy material. They're not hard material at all, which I can't stand. They have these back pockets. And I also got these, or we actually both got these Wise Owl microfiber towels. And they had just really good reviews online. We compared so many different options, and they were a really good price. We got the large size. They're in small, medium, extra large, and we got 2 of them. I got them in gray, and they feel like good quality. I'm excited to use them. Hi, so I'm at Lowe's getting some work gloves.
I think that's a little thicker.
And I'm getting these Comfort Hide stretchy leather and this plastic. And I'm getting 2 pairs just in case, because we need to bring work gloves with us to our volunteer location.
These Camelback hydration packs, right? It's gonna come with these little nubs right here, and it's gonna be sealed. So you should probably, when you open it and you start using it, you should probably put it inside the bag like this,
So it doesn't get dirty?
so it doesn't get dirty and get nasty, and you have to start drinking from nasty things. I don't know. And it ends up like this. Pro tip. Camelback sponsor, please. Frederick and Alexandra.
We're trying to just figure out like what could fit in what bag and what type of technology stuff I'm gonna bring. So we just have a bag of my GoPro accessories with my GoPro, and I put some stuff in packing cubes.
What'd you put in the packing cubes?
This is like pants, just to see like how much could fit in them. So all my pants could fit in one, and shorts. And then this one has like t-shirts right now and bathing suits. This has some more accessory type stuff, like binoculars, towels, a bug net. Then there's some hats and like long sleeve tops in here. So we're just trying to make everything fit. And then this is a carry-on bag. And I organized all my toiletries too. Hi!
What's up?
So we're packing our food right now. We're leaving in 17 days. And we have all these bars.
I choose.
Kind bars. This whole pack. I got a huge box
Sunflower seeds.
in different flavors. And we got some breakfast bars.
Peas.
Some granola. Some chickpea puffs. And some treats. And we're just trying to pack it and condense it to see. Right now we have like, how many was it? 38 bars or something?
We have like 38 bars now.
Something like that. But it's for both of us. And we're going to be there for like a month. So that seems like the right amount.
Yeah.
So we're going to pack all of this in Ziploc bags right now. And it's gonna go in Frederick's bag because he has some extra space. I do not.
I have a 130-liter duffel bag and it will work out.
Yeah, mine is a large duffel bag from North Face. His is the extra large. So he's gonna put all this stuff. We have some fruit leathers too. And we're just gonna condense it into some Ziplocs so we could store it and put it in our bag. Hey guys, so I bought a bunch of liquid IV packets. They're the lemon lime flavor to add to our water as hydration multipliers.
Hello, my name is Frederick, and this is Adventure Safari, African Safari Adventures with Alan B plus F.